Learn Gujarati for appointments. I have an appointment.
કેટલા વાગ્યે?
And more. Welcome to your Gujarati time adventure. Hey, you are about to learn how to sound polite, organized, and only slightly dramatic in Gujarati. Today we are dealing with appointments, clocks, and the ancient human mystery of not agreeing on a time. Imagine this. Your phone buzzes, your calendar stares at you, and your tea is still too hot to drink. You take a deep breath and say,
મારી એક મુલાકાત નક્કી છે.
That means, I have an appointment. Useful, elegant, and also a perfect excuse when someone wants you to help them move a sofa. Soon you will also ask,
કેટલા વાગ્યે?
for at what time, politely check.
તમને ક્યારે અનુકૂળ છે?
For when is it convenient for you, choose between.
આજે કે કાલે?
Meaning today or tomorrow, and if life becomes too chaotic, you can bravely ask.
શું આપણે આ મુલતવી રાખી શકીએ?
Can we postpone this? Your first survival phrase. Let us start with the phrase that makes you sound busy in the best possible way. Say it with calm confidence, even if your only appointment is with snacks. English. I have an appointment. Gujarati.
મારી એક મુલાકાત નક્કી છે.
Think of
મુલાકાત.
as appointment or arranged meeting. And
નક્કી છે.
gives the feeling of fixed or scheduled. Try it with me.
મારી એક મુલાકાત નક્કી છે.
Mini scene. Your friend says, stay for one more cup of tea. You sigh like a tragic hero and reply.
મારી એક મુલાકાત નક્કી છે.
Another one. Sorry, I have an appointment at 3.
માફ કરશો, મારી એક મુલાકાત 3 વાગ્યે નક્કી છે.
Ask the clock. Now you need the magical question that prevents confusion, lateness, and random guessing. Yes, this is the phrase that saves you from showing up at breakfast for a dinner invitation. At what time?
કેટલા વાગ્યે?
Say it while pointing to your wrist like you are wearing the most important watch in the universe.
કેટલા વાગ્યે?
Useful example. At what time does the train leave?
ટ્રેન કેટલા વાગ્યે જાય છે?
Useful example. At what time should I call you?
હું તમને કેટલા વાગ્યે ફોન કરું?
Funny memory trick. Imagine a parrot sitting on a giant clock, yelling.
કેટલા વાગ્યે?
Every hour. Slightly annoying, but unforgettable. Be polite, not bossy. If you want to sound thoughtful and respectful, this next phrase is gold. Instead of forcing a time, you give the other person a choice like a scheduling superstar. When is it convenient for you? In Gujarati, say,
તમને ક્યારે અનુકૂળ છે?
This is the phrase of considerate people, diplomatic co-workers, and anyone who has learned that choosing a time for others can be dangerous. Use it like this. Please tell me when it is convenient for you.
કૃપા કરીને મને કહો કે તમને ક્યારે અનુકૂળ છે.
Or, morning or afternoon. When is it convenient for you?
સવાર કે બપોર, તમને ક્યારે અનુકૂળ છે?
It is polite, practical, and much better than shouting, I choose 6:12 and you will like it. The great decision. Today or tomorrow. Some plans happen now, some happen later, and some live forever in the land of maybe. Here is the phrase for choosing between two very common options. Today or tomorrow.
આજે કે કાલે?
Break it down.
આજે.
Means today.
કાલે.
Means tomorrow, and
કે.
means or. Say it naturally.
આજે કે કાલે?
Example. You want to meet, but not immediately. You ask.
આજે કે કાલે?
Comedy image. A lazy cat is lying on your planner and refuses to move until you decide.
આજે કે કાલે?
When life gets messy. And now for the phrase every human eventually needs. Because sometimes the room is locked, the speaker is missing, or your brain has simply left the building. Can we postpone this? In Gujarati.
શું આપણે આ મુલતવી રાખી શકીએ?
This is polite and useful when you need to move something to later, not cancel it forever. Try this example. I am busy now, can we postpone this?
હું હમણાં વ્યસ્ત છું. શું આપણે આ મુલતવી રાખી શકીએ?
Another one. If needed, can we postpone this meeting?
જો જરૂરી હોય તો શું આપણે આ બેઠક મુલતવી રાખી શકીએ?
Think of gently pushing a calendar page forward. That is the feeling of
મુલતવી.
a funny dialogue at maximum scheduling. Let us put everything together in a mini story. Listen once for fun, then again to catch the key Gujarati phrases. Reena calls Amit. Hi, I have an appointment.
મારી એક મુલાકાત નક્કી છે.
Amit asks, at what time?
કેટલા વાગ્યે?
Reena says, I am not sure. When is it convenient for you?
તમને ક્યારે અનુકૂળ છે?
Amit says, today or tomorrow.
આજે કે કાલે?
Reena looks at her exploding calendar, her cold tea, and possibly a judgmental pigeon outside the window. Then she says, can we postpone this?
શું આપણે આ મુલતવી રાખી શકીએ?
Amit replies, yes. Peace returns to the universe. Quick practice challenge. Your turn now. I will give you the English, and you can say the Gujarati after the pause like the organized legend you are becoming. I have an appointment.
મારી એક મુલાકાત નક્કી છે.
At what time?
કેટલા વાગ્યે?
When is it convenient for you?
તમને ક્યારે અનુકૂળ છે?
Today or tomorrow?
આજે કે કાલે?
Can we postpone this?
શું આપણે આ મુલતવી રાખી શકીએ?
Wrap up and keep practicing. Nice work, you made it through calendars, clocks, and civilized rescheduling. That is real language power. Today you practiced 5 very useful Gujarati phrases.
મારી એક મુલાકાત નક્કી છે. કેટલા વાગ્યે? તમને ક્યારે અનુકૂળ છે? આજે કે કાલે?
And
શું આપણે આ મુલતવી રાખી શકીએ?
thank you for learning with me. Keep repeating the phrases out loud, practice them in tiny daily situations, and do not worry if you sound dramatic at first. That is how memorable language learning begins.